Here we are in Molde. I have my Fuji Film X100F, my baby, with me, and we're gonna try to make beautiful photos today. Let's make the first shot. I like the shadows. Make nice structure, nice contours with it in a way. That mountain over there is beautiful, but I have my 35mm lens, or 23, but because it's a not full frame, so it's around 35, I'm gonna take a shot. And let's make it more. Not bad. Let's take a shot just for amusement. It's fine. Oh, this shot from here is beautiful. I don't have polarizing filter. Sometimes it helps with the sky, but now it's a clean sky, so it's fine. This is lovely shot from here. Let's try to. I'll open up a bit. Straight. Let me take a shot on. Perfect. And this house is lovely. I like take shots against the sun. It gives then another dimension to the photography. This looks lovely. I'm gonna close down as much as possible. 14, 16, let's say 16. Looks cool. 16. The ferries are arriving here, I think. We can do a shot from here. We'll wait a bit for the ferry to arrive. Norway is a country full of ferries, like the boats. If you have time in Molde and you're hungry, go to this pizza art. It's called. They have pizza, burgers, and gyro. So it's amazing. I had pizza last night. It was fantastic. Ferry bringing some cars and trucks. We're gonna wait for the ferry to come from here and make a nice shots of it arriving. I love boats, I love trains, I love trams, streetcars. I don't like buses. When I need to travel with bus, it's horrible. So I like this reflection in the water. I'm gonna go with f11, 500th of a second, and the ISO is 1250. Another shot of this, and I like how the mountains are in the background. It's lovely here. I'm so lucky that I got some sun today. Nice shot of this. I guess it's a light for the boats, small one. Beautiful. One more. Let me know in the comments, how do you prefer your photos? Horizontal or vertical? I prefer both. Depends on the situation, depends. This pile of mountain of snow. Alright people, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked this video. Put a like, thumbs up. If you want, also you can subscribe to my channel, and that will help me make better videos in the future and travel more and make the world more accessible to you. Bye.